and land vertically by hovering in midair. Ladies and gentlemen, if you look off to your right, you'll see the pilot coming in for the first of two high-speed passes. Ladies and gentlemen, the F-35B Lightning.
Oh.
The Lightning is referred to as a fifth-generation air platform, the most advanced in the world due to its combination of integrated sensor, weapons, and its low observability or stealth properties. Stealth technology allows the aircraft to fly in enemy airspace without being detected by radars that older aircraft cannot evade. The combination of stealth features, the APG-1 active electronically scanned array radar, and the electronic warfare suite, advanced optics, and the ability to carry weapons internally means the Lightning can engage targets at long ranges, all while avoiding detection. The Lightning is capable of reaching speeds up to Mach 1.6 and fly at heights up to 50,000 feet. The highly advanced fly-by-wire control system makes it extremely agile and reduces the pilot workload. Now we'll see some of that agility now as the pilot comes back from mid-radius turn near show center. We're very proud to show you what the F-35B can do. It will fly from land and sea, from RAF Barham in Norfolk, and from the deck of Britain's biggest warships. The Queen Elizabeth-class aircraft carriers are being built in Scotland and are the only aircraft carriers in the world designed specifically for F-35B operations. Now, get the cameras ready as Colonel Rusnock navigates the aircraft from left to right for a photo pass. He'll be maneuvering the aircraft into a slight left wing up orientation for the best possible photos. Ladies and gentlemen, Colonel Rusnock is now maneuvering the aircraft to configure for stowable flight. Approaching crowd center, he will command the aircraft to change to stowable mode by pressing a single button in the cockpit. You will see several doors opening. The large door on the top of the aircraft, just behind the canopy, is the upper lift band door, exposing the powerful Rolls-Royce lift band that allows the aircraft to hover. You also see doors at the rear of the aircraft which open to allow the main engine exhaust nozzle, which is also manufactured by Rolls-Royce in Bristol, to rotate downward. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Colonel Rusnak is going to bring the aircraft back in to hover near crowd center. The entire weight of the aircraft will be supported by the thrust from the lift fan, the main engine, and the roll control nozzles, collectively generating up to 40,000 pounds of thrust. This ability to hover is unique to the F-35B variant, and this is what allows it to be based on board aircraft carriers and in austere environments. And you will notice as he decels into the hover how stable the aircraft is. I'd like to tell you that is pilot skill. However, that is in large part due to the control logic, the flight control logic of the aircraft. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's listen to the power of the aircraft. Doors closing and the aircraft returning to CTOL flight. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the demonstration of the F-35B Lightning, the Royal Air Force, the Royal Navy, and the United States Marine Corps. Hope you've enjoyed this display of the future of combat air power. Jack,